we be triumphant?
Chaos vanquishes all.
Our forces seem to have grown in both greatness and number. Neroth, Cain, you pitiful fools need to do better in the eyes of the Dark Gods. Else I will be pleased to leave you behind and bring greater-sized forces in your stead.
Take note of this missive, my lord. All blood is pleasing to the Dark Gods when spilled, no matter its species.
And remember, use those shining bridges, 'cause they's bring good luck. If there's an ambush, be at the supply depot it will. Don't let the enemy reach the supply depot. And protect the trucks. I don't care how many of your kids get smashed. I'm sending some boys ahead to loot and make sure there's no ambush. Send cans and then send boys. All kinds of boys.
Drive slower, you break me bits, he says. And don't forget to drive on the shiny bridges for good luck. Listen up, kids! War boss Smudgeface says there will be fighting ahead, and we need to get our key into war! So just be sure to get enough trucks past the supply station for the war!
Prepare to act.
The convoy will not be obliterated just yet. Our forces are not yet adequate, and a better ambush site is required.
Small steps corrupt. Slay the greenskin! Millennia pass, but orc slaying remains an unchanging pleasure.
Strength as you say.
Ready to make offer now. Keep trying, everyone. None can stand against me, orc.
We cannot be denied.
Unworthy of my presence.
To cover.
Ready?
You hear the voice. I will take it for you.
Only rules will remain. To war. I go. Your lord and master!
Orcs. An infection in their own right.
I am here to lead you.
The weak point back! I am under attack! Yes! No mercy! You might find us anything you gotta get. There was a battle! They shall have a war!
Always ready!
What? Take that point! Requisition point of capture!
You to command me. Small steps corrupt.
Who dies?
Striking me is fleeing or dead!
The weak point back!
There is no stopping the darkness!
Magnificence shall blind the unworthy.
It will be mine!
It is ours.
Small steps corrupt.
Alright, back up lively! Your lord...
Do not presume to command me.
Oi, I'm moving to shelter! What is it?
There was a battle! They shall have a war! What? There wasn't supposed to be any fighting while we was looting. The trucks are almost here. Ready them sodas, boys. Boss Smash Face says we need to keep this way clear for him. The weak fight back.
The weak make a stand!
Green skin, put down.
I bring doom to all!
Orcs die.
Speak! Many a loss, but all slaying remains an uncaged pleasure.
It offends me.
Prepare to act. None stand against chaos.
In blood and fire!
Give me a challenge.
They strike at me.
Do not. It offends me.
We will revel later. To battle!
Your blade champion seeks the reward of death too early.
They hear. It offends me.
Ready, only ruins will remain.
I bring doom to all!
Against their apocalyptic pestilence. Boss, they destroyed a those shiny bridges you liked. What? Oh, you better be lying to me, boy, and you better be dead before I get there, because I don't like being lied to. Now out of me way. Looks like I gotta do all the work myself. And when I was done fighting, you're all getting your faces smashed.
Supper! Moving! Ready to kill! Yes, I know!
Here we go, boys! This is where he said the fighting was! This is exciting! Can you feel it, boys?
I am here to lead you. Do not
Fresh victims!
Muster your faculties first.